Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. We are going to learn an elephant drawing and painting in Kalamkari art style. So in Kalamkari, like Madhubani, we need to draw a border. For border, we need a scale, eraser, sharpener, pencil. We need thin brushes. We need a pen to draw, and then we need a carbon paper. We'll transfer it on the actual thing where we are making. We need water and we need paints and a cloth to wipe our brushes. So as we know, our first step is to draw the border and leave some space. It depends on your paper. According to size of your paper, I'm drawing on the A4 sheet and I'm taking 1 centimeter for border, and I have left around 3 centimeter for the framing. Okay, it depends on your paper size. In my case, this length is 24 centimeter. So I am drawing each semicircle roughly 2. Okay, after every 2 centimeter, I am going to draw a semicircle. This is my rough drawing. I'll transfer it on the final sheet. So whatever erasing, anything I have to do, I'll do here. Now in this, we are drawing a very simple Kalamkari border. We have learned lots of borders. This is a very simple one. Okay, normally 5 curves I have given. Now we will make a tree. So we are making a simple tree. This is the starting point. We'll show us enter. Okay, 8 petals. Now from the middle of this one, we will start and we will go on extending the design. You can extend it as much as you want. Its design is extended inner to inner. Middle point, again middle point. Again midpoint. Again here midpoint. Now come to the elephant. Normal elephant. Ear has a special design. Head also has a special design. Cloth on the elephant. Now this whole thing, we will use a yellow carbon and we are going to trace on the wooden plate on which I have already given the red color. This is red color and I'll keep it here and I'll trace it. So when you're tracing, make sure that the printed side is on the top. Okay, you can use any carbon, yellow, white, whatever you want. But whatever erasing you have to do it on this paper so that your final drawing is neat. So when we have to erase, what we will do, we'll use a pencil and we will press it like this so that design will come. I'm going to use light colors because I have given very dark background here. So here, this is light blue. So our border design is going like this. I'm using light green. Now here I am giving second coat. We'll use this golden yellow and green mix for the branches. This is bright yellow. So I have made grey color. Now just take a wider brush and try to mix the lines color so that it's uniformly spread. Because I filled with thin brush, so lines are visible. Although everything will be covered in the designs, but even then. So this is blue color. I am going to use it for ear. This is red color. This is yellow. This is yellow golden color. With this, our elephant painting is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.